One day, it was extremely hot. The sun was blazing and everything around was quiet. A Muslim woman was walking along the road. She was fasting and heading home. Suddenly, she saw a dog that was very thirsty. The dog had become weak and was wandering around in search of water. When the woman saw this, she felt compassion in her heart. Nearby, there was a well, but there was no container to draw water with. She gathered courage and, with great effort, used part of her scarf to help bring out some water. Then she gently placed the dog quickly drank the water, and peace returned to its eyes. The woman felt happiness in her heart because she had helped a voiceless creature. As she walked back home, she thought, showing kindness to Allah's creation is also an act of worship. Moral: whoever shows mercy to others, Allah shows mercy to them.